corn you helped me harvest today? Help the harvester check her row of corn to see if anything is ready to pick. Use conditionals to look at each sprout. Every stalk will have either 0 or 1 pieces of